Hi, this is the production workshop for sandwich panels. Polyurethane sandwich panel is a Bimplic, single metal, non-metal composite sheet made of polyurethane rigid foam as insulation layer. It is usually used in industrial plants, logistics storage, wall and roof enclosure systems for integrated houses. The polyurethane sandwich panel produced by Sunglong Group has many advantages, such as energy saving, heat preservation, flame retardancy, fire prevention, sound insulation, noise reduction, environmental protection, beauty, economy and quick construction. For more details, please contact us.